Hey, if you want to easily install the SIM card into your Google Pixel 9a, first of all, you will have to open the SIM slot, which is located right here at the bottom of your device. And you will have to insert this tool right here. I'm gonna try to catch focus. There we go. So you will have to input it right here. Now press on it and try to remove it by using, for example, your fingernails. So now all you have to do is just to input the card just right here with the cutout at the top. I just misplaced, so I have to rotate that card like that. And right now we have to put it back. Whoops. Let's do this one more time. So as you can see, in my case, I have to hold it all the time with my fingers. You have to rotate this like that. Keep it with your finger, and now put it back. Try to do this slowly, and now we can just press, and as you can see, it is inside.